Hi, I'm Dan Leahy, and this is the final project for the Information Structures with Python class. For this project, I created an application that will help prepare myself for exams. As part of my job, I have to pass many certification exams, which are given in a multiple choice format. This application can be used to run practice tests for just such an exam. The questions and answers are stored in a file. The file name indicates the subject of the test. The file resides in the test_files directory. Upon execution, the application inspects this directory in order to list the available tests and prompts the user to select the test. The application can run new tests via dropping in test files. No code changes to the application is required. The user is prompted with a list of file names and a number to select that test. Currently, the code supports two tests, CSA Plus and Jenkins Certification. The questions used for the test are randomly chosen. The user is prompted questions and multiple choice answers. The user can submit an answer by entering a valid value or end the test by entering -1. After the test ends, the test will be graded and shown back to the user for review. In addition, the test will be timed and recorded in the results file. The results file is stored in the result_files directory. Each file has the name of the test and is time-stamped. The results file lists the question, correct answer, and selected answer for each question on the test. It also lists the grade and the time elapsed for the exam at the end of the file. Two classes were created as part of this application. A trial class is used to create an immutable object that contains the question string, a list of strings that represent the possible answers, and an integer representing the correct answer. A list is an ordered collection, so the correct answer can be represented as an integer. All the variables start with double underscore and are accessible only via getters. The variables are set via the constructor, the double underscore init method. This makes the class immutable. The file parser class is used to create a list of trials from a test file. The test file format uses an outer and an inner tokenizer to differentiate the different data. The outer tokenizer, a question mark, breaks the data into questions and answers. The inner tokenizer, a hyphen, breaks the answers into possible choices and the correct answer. The random module is used to randomize the trials so that the test will change every time. The program uses the OS module to inspect the test_files directory. If no tests are available, then the user is shown an error message and the program exits via the sys module. Otherwise, the user is prompted to select the test via a number selection. A dictionary is used to map the test to a number. The user can also choose to exit the program by entering -1. If the user makes a valid test choice, then the file parser is used to parse the test file and create the test. A file is opened to store the results in the result_files directory. The format of the file will be subject_timestamp.txt. The datetime module is used to generate the timestamp. The results file gives information on each question. It also gives an overall score and uses the time module to report the time taken to complete the exam. For the most part, this application works pretty well for me and satisfies my needs. If there was some tech debt involved, it would be the grades for each exam should be summarized and easily viewable. That would provide useful metrics in order to determine progression. The answer choices should also be randomized to make the test more valuable. Thank you for your time. This concludes my presentation.